Listen to the word volcano. It is one word, but we say it in 3 parts. Volcano. This is Blubba. Blubba likes to jump those parts of words. Those parts of words are called syllables. Blubba will jump the syllables. You can jump with Blubba or clap your hands for each syllable Blubba jumps. Volcano. Volcano has 3 syllables. Let's jump for rocket. Rock-et. Rocket has 2 syllables. Blubba likes horses. Jump with Blubba for horse. Horse. 1 jump for horse. Horse has 1 syllable. Elephant is a big word. Jump with Blubba for elephant. Font. 3 jumps for elephant. Elephant has 3 syllables. An alligator has more teeth than syllables. Let's jump for alligator syllables. Al. Gay. Tor. 4 jumps for alligator. Alligator has 4 syllables. Let's jump and clap for more words. Jump for helicopter. Copter. Did you jump 4 times? Helicopter has 4 syllables. Jump for robot. Robot. Did you jump 2 times? Robot has 2 syllables. Jump for hippopotamus. Mus. Did you jump 5 times? Hippopotamus has 5 syllables. Jump for cat. Cat. Did you jump 1 time? Cat has 1 syllable. Jump for banana. Banana. Did you jump 3 times? Banana has 3 syllables. You learned that words have parts called syllables. Think of other words and count their syllables. Say the syllables and jump or clap. Hit the like button for this video and subscribe to the McRuffy Press channel to learn more fun things.